everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well, happy, healthy, and your Monday's going good. So today we have got a makeup video. As you can see, I'm half done, half not. So if you like what you see on your right hand side but my left, yeah, keep on watching and I'll show you how I do it. Do you know what? It's kind of easy. Is it kind of easy? I cannot do cut creases at all, so if I can do it, anyone can. And yeah, so we're just gonna get straight into it. I don't really think there's much for me to say, is there? Oh yeah, also you're probably wondering, why is there one eye done and the other one isn't? Because usually in makeup videos, I guess you do the first eye first and then you're like, oh, I'll go and copy this onto the other eye and I'll be right back. But your girl needs to practice, okay? Because I already did a makeup video today. I went to start editing it and it was ugly. I am back, you know. I'm not bothered at all that the other one didn't work. Currently 6 o'clock at night, Sunday evening, so I better get a move on. So yes, I hope you enjoy this video. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching, and I would love it if you hit the subscribe button below and the notification button so you know when I'm going to post. And yeah, just join the Annie fam, because we're the best fam on the internet. You know, I always say that and I always will. So let's just get straight into this video and I really hope you enjoy. The palette I'm going in with first is the Morphe Dare to Create 39A, and it's the Artistry palette like this, and when you open it up, oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. This is what it looks like inside. It is pretty and colourful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight in with this wonderful red shade here, and I'm going to put that on the crease of my eye. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Oh my god, before we start, hello, I'm really bad at this. Yeah, we need to like sellotape our eye. What I'm going to do is, because I've done like already my face, you're probably wondering, why are you doing a bold look and you've already done your foundation stuff? My skin is kind of rubbish at the moment, so yeah, I want to cover it up. Don't hate me. I'm terrified I'm going to put it in the wrong place because my left eye went really well earlier, which means my right eye is going to go terribly. Okay. That'll do. So yes, let's go straight in with this red shade because it is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh fuck. So yeah, we're gonna go in with this red shade and blend it into the crease. It is so pigmented, like what? That is so sexy. I'm gonna go in with another layer, just so it's really vibrant and really red, because yeah, we want, you know, a nice contrast between the blue and the red. Okay, now we're going to take another brush and we're going to go in with this cute little shade here. Well, it's not really little, it's one of the big ones in the middle. Yeah, it's kind of like an orangey, yellowy shade. Just popping it on top and above that red that we did, just so it kind of blends out better, and it's just adding, yeah, just a little bit of a yellowy orange tinge. Is that the right word? I also feel like this look isn't really matching with what I'm wearing. I'm kind of wearing something, you know, that you'd wear to a kid's party. And I've got like, you know, kind of a fierce look on my eyes, but you know what, we're just going to have two very contrasting vibes going on. Why not? Now to go in with my crease, I've got a detailed flat brush and the sharp tape. Every time I try and say it. Tart shape tape. I keep trying to say like sharp tape, whatever's going on. I think I did this in like a previous video, I just couldn't say it. The shade Fair Neutral I've got. And yeah, we're just going to pack this on. And I'm a bit nervous because, yeah, like I said, I feel like I'm just not the greatest at cut creases, but we're going to make it work. Okay, so now that the cut crease is done, not bad. What would you rate that? About a 6? 7? So I'm going to go in with a flat brush again, and we are going to go in with this lovely light blue in the corner here, and yeah, we're just going to pack that in. I'm then going to turn the flat brush over, so I've got the other side, and we are going to go in with this wonderful colour here, which is kind of like, yeah, it's blue. Just going to pat that on. And for the dark colours, we're going to mix this colour here and we're just going to mix these two. And there we go, that's the blue done. So we are now going to focus on the inner corner of my eye. I'd like to put a little bit of highlight there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this singular eyeshadow I got from Kiko a while back, and it is the 01 shade, the Smart Colour eyeshadow. So yeah, it's the lightest one, and I'm just going to go in with a detailed brush, and I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner of my eye. So, and then I'm going to add some glitter. This, I'm literally obsessed with this because it's like glittery and shimmery, but then it's not too much. It hasn't got like really big particles of like glitter that like fall in your eye throughout the day. So it's the Fine Glitter Dust by Barry M, and I absolutely love it. And you know what, if you actually shake it, you get so much as well. It's a little pot, but you get a lot. If you shake it, so it doesn't like make a mess, I actually use the glitter that's like attached onto the lids, just so you're not going into like, you know, the pot and you're not making a mess. Gotta think about these things. And I'm just going to pop my detailed brush into the lid, get some glitter on there, and we are going to apply that onto where we just put the eyeshadow. Woo! So, I think that was a bit too much actually. Let me just blend that in. Shimmer, shimmer! You guys know I love a shimmer. Okay, so it's now time for eyeliner, and I'm going in with the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner. I absolutely love this stuff. It is amazing. I used to put eyeliner on with cream, just like a, you know, like a pomade or something, and then a brush. But it's so, you know, the flick is, you just don't get a flick like this flick, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to shake it, and I'm going to pop this on. And yeah, I'm going to kind of follow the shape of the little kind of flick that I've done with the cut crease. Okay, now that I've added the eyeliner, it's now time to add some glitter, my favourite part. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the, in fact, no, let me quickly, no, I'll do it this way. Ugh, I'll do it this way. So I'm going in with the jolibomb.com palette. Oh my god, this is so much fun to play with. It is just nothing but glitter. Like, hello! So yes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be going in with Disco, that's what it's called, the light blue down here, and I'm going to pat that onto the light shade of blue I've done on my eyelid. So I'm just going to get that flat detailed brush again, and we're going to pop it in the glitter, and we're going to tap it on my eye. It says to use your fingers or a flat brush, so yes, when you're using a flat brush, make sure you like pat it on and not like kind of do that which you would with your finger. So yeah, what am I doing? I'm like over here on this side, but that eye's already done. I'm over on this side. Okay, so I'm now going back in with that Barry M glitter, and I'm just going to pop it on my pinky, and I'm just going to put it on the brow bone, as you can see. Oh my god, yeah, that's so nice. I love this stuff. And I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, so now the fun part. I'm now going to take the tape off, and then I'm going to add some mascara and finish off. So yes, look at that, it's so fun. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer, because obviously I did have my face on. It's taken a little bit of the makeup off, so I'm just going to pop a little bit of concealer on, and yeah, just kind of blend that in. But it really isn't too bad, do you know what I mean? Like, considering, you know. Okay, so once that is blended, now do you know what? No fallout. How crazy is that? Because usually when you do like, you know, colourful and bold looks, you usually do your eyes first, then go in with foundation to avoid fallout. But I mean, there's absolutely no fallout at all. Oh, it's such a fun palette, that Morphe palette. I absolutely love it. It's so pigmented, hardly any fallout. Yes. Okay, so now to finish off the look, you can add lashes if you want. I don't usually use a lot of lashes. I'm very, very happy with the length of my lashes with my mascara as well. So I'm just going to quickly add some mascara, and yeah, I think that look will be finished. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. And also the other thing, I feel like I don't suit lashes. I know it might sound silly, maybe I just don't use them enough to know enough. But yeah, I just feel like I don't suit them, and also all the lashes that I do have are quite big, so I feel like it would like cover up kind of the fun, colourful stuff that we've done, you know? So yeah, I'm just going to curl my lashes and add some mascara. Also thinking about adding some colour under my eye, but I quite like having the, you know, the sharp kind of line across my eye and keeping it really bright underneath. And also I do feel like, again, you know your eye shape more than anyone, you know what works for you and what doesn't work for you, and usually having colour under my eye doesn't usually work for me. I don't know, I just feel like it gives me a weird look, which is really annoying because I really love the look on other people, but I just feel like with my eye shape or face shape or something, it's, or maybe I'm just used to having, you know, just it bright under my eye. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to shut up and do mascara. I'm going in with my favourite Kiko Dark Treasure mascara. This is amazing. Highly recommend. I love it. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and you know what, it was so nice just to sit down and do something a bit more fun, you know, and do something really colourful and glittery, and yeah, I really enjoyed that. I really hope you did too. I'm actually so happy with how it came out because I don't usually, you know, like do something so colourful and bold on my channel, and I really want to go more into makeup as well. So yeah, let me know if you enjoyed it and if you want to see more of it for Makeover Mondays, comment below. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you haven't subscribed and joined the Annie fam already, I would love it if you did. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm not a makeup artist, I'm doing this for fun, and I really appreciate you guys like watching, you know, just having fun with me, you know? So I will see you guys in my next video, which will be on Friday, and I'm thinking about doing like 2 videos because I've kind of filmed one, but it depends if I've edited it in time, do you know what I mean? I hope you have the most amazing week, just as amazing as you guys are, obviously. And yeah, I will catch you guys then. Bye!